Are you looking for ways to build long-term wealth and achieve your financial goals? Then you are in the right place. Investing your money can be a smart way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be a daunting task, especially if you're new to it. However, with the right mindset and knowledge, you can turn your investments into a long-term wealth building strategy. Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you some of the top learnings for smart investing. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and insights you need to make informed investment decisions and start building your wealth. What is smart investment? It is investing your money in a way that helps you achieve your financial goals while minimizing risks. Here are some learning on how to invest your money wisely. 1. Do your research. Before investing in any company or asset, make sure you have done enough research. Know the company's financial history, its management, and its competitors. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to minimizing risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, gold and commodities. 3. Have a long-term perspective. Don't invest for short-term gains. Instead, think of your investments as a long-term wealth-building strategy. Invest in companies or assets that have a good track record of growth and are likely to continue to grow in the future. 4. Keep emotions in check. Emotions can cloud your judgment when it comes to investing. Don't let greed or fear drive your investment decisions. Instead, rely on logic and data to make informed investment decisions. 5. Seek professional advice. If you are new to investing or unsure about your investment decisions, seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor who can guide you on how to invest your money wisely. 6. Understand your risk tolerance. It's important to understand how much risk you're comfortable taking on with your investments. Some people are comfortable taking on more risk for potentially higher returns, while others prefer to play it safe with low-risk investments. Understanding your risk tolerance can help you choose the right investments for your portfolio. 7. Keep an eye on fees. Some investment options come with fees and charges, such as management fees or brokerage fees. These fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to keep an eye on them and choose investment options with reasonable fees. 8. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Over time, your investment portfolio may become unbalanced as some assets perform better than others. It's important to rebalance your portfolio regularly by selling some assets and buying others to keep your portfolio aligned with your investment goals. 9. Don't try to time the market. It's impossible to predict the market's movements with certainty, and trying to time the market can often result in missed opportunities or losses. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on making regular, consistent investments over time. 10. Stay informed. Keep up to date with news and trends in the markets you're invested in. This can help you make informed decisions about your investments and spot opportunities for growth. Investing your money can be a smart way to build wealth over time, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and patience. By following these learnings, you can invest your money wisely and achieve your financial goals. I hope you found these learning helpful and insightful. Remember, investing can be a powerful tool for building long-term wealth, but it requires discipline, patience, and a solid strategy. Smart investing is not a sprint but a marathon. Staying focused on your financial goals, you can make smart investments that help you achieve the life you've always wanted. So, keep learning, keep investing, and keep building your wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.